Hi guys, what's up? I'm Gladia and I be the chef. Today I will be showing you how I make fried cassava leaf. So if you're interested, keep on watching this video, try this recipe, and you can be the chef too. So lately I've been trying to eat less meat. When I do eat meat, all I usually have is salmon, chicken, and shrimp. So that's what I have here. You can use anything you have. So I'm gonna season this up. I will be frying the salmon and the chicken. For the shrimp, I will be making like a little stock. I got 5 packs of cassava leaf. I thought it was gonna be a lot, but I guess I was wrong. Anyways, I'm still gonna make this work. I'm adding half of the onion and peppers that I blended to the cassava leaf, and I will add the other half to the shrimp. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you do, please share it with your family, your friends, and yeah, I will talk to you later. Bye.